When it comes down to options and making of choice, we sometimes get stuck in the idea that there is a very binary way of seeing a solution to the problem. So let's say you are entering a car shop and the salesman's asking you which one's going to be, the fast one or the spacious one. And in this case, we tend to fixate on what's presently presented to us because there's being imposed that there's no other choice to make in the situation. And this is often not the case, right? Something I pose getting into the habit of is asking if it's a selection problem or a search problem that we're faced with. So a selection problem in this case would be something like weighing the costs and benefits against each other of the options and then prioritizing one over the other. Whilst in a search problem, we need to use our imaginative or creative capacity to generate new options to select from. And if we have more options on the table, we're in a much more tangible position to make more informed and wiser decisions. So the thing I'd pose it comes down to in the end is how much time and resources we have to make that decision, and what scope of impact that decision will have on us. So let's say we're standing in line at a coffee shop and we're going to decide whether to buy a latte or a matcha. This will have much smaller impact than deciding on what major to study at university. So understanding when and where these two strategies apply can really help us out